Today we have ISF, IS but converted into ISF. The problem is kilometer speed doesn't work, and the light for ABS and traction comes on. We scan the car and we got codes for both rear speed sensors. We cleared, but it's not coming. The customer complains it comes when we drive. When we drive, the problem comes again. So we will check the live data. So we are scanning the car now, and let's see what it shows in live data, read data. So what was the problem? We will check now. We come to read data and we select the front wheel direction, front wheel speed, front right wheel direction, front right wheel speed, rear right wheel direction, rear left hand speed, rear right wheel speed, rear right wheel direction. We will check now. It is showing all forward. It is showing all forward. So we put in reverse and just move the car. Just move the car reverse. You can see the front, both sensors are showing backward, while the rear sensors are showing forward. Now we put in front in drive mode. So now it is showing rear direction backward. Rear both wheels direction is showing backward. So the problem is the sensors are installed different. They install the right sensor, right rear sensor to the rear right sensor they installed to rear left, and the rear left sensor they installed to rear right. Now again I put to reverse. See what it shows. Now it is showing forward. The car is moving reverse. So this is the fault. Sensors are installed incorrect. The right sensor they have installed to the left side, and the left side sensor they installed to the right side. So that's why the problem comes and the speedometer stop working.